Alright, what we got here is a real world problem, and we're going to show you a real world solution and show you that math is much more than just calculating numbers and using algorithms. What it is really is more akin to being an artist, because you have to use the same creative skills, and then the math is only a tool that helps you realize your end vision. So what we're going to do right here is go from this elevation to this upper elevation right here with a circular stair. So you're going to have to use your geometry, and you're going to have to use what you know to get from point A to point B by following the circumference of the circle. So one of the first things we need is the elevation change. So how are we going to do that? In the real world, there's a number of ways. In the ancient world, they basically use water, because water seeks its own elevation, but we're going to use a little more technology. We're going to use a straight edge and a level and simply measure it. So this is the end of the stair right here. So we have a 10-foot straight edge, and we'll simply pick it up. Another person would be nice. We don't have another person, so we're just going to pick this up till it's level. Be right there. So from the point where the straight edge begins to where it ends right here is 27.5 inches. So that's the elevation change. If this was going to be a straight stair, that would represent the run, or on the XY axis it would represent the X distance. The Y distance, or the rise is what the elevation would be. The distance this way would be the x-axis of the run. You'll see on this point right here, we're short of where we want to go. So 27.5 inches is the rise to right here. We want to go to right here. So now we're going to use the level straight away and find the rise from this point to this point, which we'll have to add the 27 inches. So that's just straightforward. That is from here to this point, which is an additional 3.5 inches, so 27.5 and 3.5 is 31 inches. There we're using some arithmetic, but the math is in getting the field work to design this circular stair. So now we have the elevation, and we just record the elevation as 31 inches. Okay, we're going to stop the video here and start another one to talk about finding the various circumferences we need to design the project.